Hello everyone, welcome to PRP Coding YouTube channel. I am Raveendran Pillai. In this session, I shall explain about the new Lambda improvements in C#12. So let's start. I have created a .NET 8 console application and it is opened in my VS Code editor. If I click on this project here, you can see that the target framework is set to .NET 8. Now, let me open the program.cs file. Here you can see that I have created an action delegate variable named sayHello, which accepts a string parameter as input and it is pointing to a Lambda expression. Then I have invoked the delegate by passing a string PRP as input. Now let me open the terminal window and run the application. Now let me right click on this project and say open in integrated terminal, and here I can run the command .NET run. And here you can see hello PRP. So everything is working as expected. Okay, so now let me go and remove this PRP from here and see what happens. Here you can see there is a red squiggly and it's an error. It says that there is no argument given that corresponds to the required parameter obj of action string. So what does that mean? It means that sayHello is an action delegate which accepts a string parameter. So we must pass a string parameter when we invoke this sayHello delegate. Now, from C#12 onwards, we can provide default values for parameters on Lambda expressions. The syntax and the restrictions on default parameter values are the same as for methods and local functions. So let me assign a default value here. I can say guest. Immediately the error is gone. If I don't pass any parameter while invoking the sayHello delegate, then it will take the default value set in the Lambda expression. So let me go and run this application, .NET run, and this time you can see the output as hello guest. Okay, so this is a C#12 feature. To prove that, let me click on this project and let me change this from .NET 8 to .NET 7. See, .NET 7 is also installed in my machine. Let me save. And now if I switch to program.cs, here you can see there is an error. So what is that error? Feature Lambda optional parameters is not available in C#11. So this is a C#12 feature. So let me change it back to .NET 8. Okay. And the error is gone. Okay, so now let me invoke this delegate once again. Let me say hello, and this time I will pass PRP. If I do so, this will go and overwrite this name. The default value is guest. It will be changed to PRP now. Now let me go and run this application, .NET run, and see the output. Okay, it is hello guest, and the second one is hello PRP. So this is one of the improvements in Lambda expressions in C#12. I would like to demonstrate one more improvement in Lambda expression in C#12. For that, let me comment this code and create a new delegate var calculated sum is equal to, this time I will take an array of integers as numbers and return the sum, numbers dot sum. Okay, so basically this calculated sum is a func delegate. It accepts an array of integers and returns an integer. So numbers.sum is an integer here. Now let me invoke this calculated sum. So for that, let me do console.writeLine, and inside that I will invoke calculated sum, and here I need to pass some integers. Let's say new int array, and I can pass 1, 2, 3. Okay. And let me run this. And here you can see the output as 6. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So everything is working as expected. Okay, so now let me go and modify this calculated sum invocation. So let me move this code and set it as 1, 2, 3. And see here, you can see it's a red squiggly there. It's an error. It says that delegate does not take 3 arguments. Yes, it makes sense, right? Because calculated sum is a func delegate which accepts only one parameter, that too it's a integer array. And here I am passing 1, 2, 3. So this is not a valid syntax. From C# 12 onwards, we can declare lambda expressions with params array as parameters. So here I can set it as params. The moment I included params here, the error is gone. Now let me go and run this application and see the output. Yes, it is 6. So this is another feature improvement in lambda expression in C# 12. To prove that this is a C# 12 feature, let me open the project settings and change it to .NET 7 here and click on program.cs. Here there is a red squiggly. It says that feature lambda params array is not available in C# 11. So this is a C# 12 feature, not a C# 11 feature. So we learned default parameters in lambda expressions and params array as parameter in lambda expression in C# 12. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next updates. Thank you.